Oh my gosh, you're never gonna guess what happened. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now, and the wind's blowing. I'm here with another weather report. Like, I can't talk loud because I'd wake up my neighbors, but listen to the wind chime. Isn't it wonderful? And so, wow, I guess there's like storms blowing in and storms blowing out. And I'm off right now to a place called Torchilla. If you know what's in Torchilla, you know what I'm going to do. But wow, wow, wow. So I hope to see you all on, what is it, New Year's Eve? I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but stay tuned.